Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I am going to tell you how to map the stars in the sky. Okay, so everybody, I hope you know what is longitude and latitude. If you don't know, I will explain. Okay, so longitude is a line that come like this straight lines across the earth, not like sleeping but standing line. Okay, if you want an example, let's take an orange. If you peel it, you see lines like that standing across the orange. That's the example of longitude. Okay, the main longitude is prime meridian. It is also the longitudes are also called at meridian. Okay, now let's go to latitude. Latitude are just the opposite of longitude. They are like sleeping lines across the earth from north to south. Yeah, actually from west to east. They move on like this, and like that. The biggest latitude is the equator that you all know. Yeah. Now, how to map locations on Earth? First, you need to know this. We can map it by longitude and latitudes. Now, how? See, it is like a grid, yeah. The intersecting point is the intersecting point. Wherever it falls on the globe, we can say that's the position. How we can map them? Like this, we have to map them to know the positions, places, addresses, etc. Okay, now if we spread this grid across the space, how will it look like? Okay, so it is actually what we are going to do in this video. Now how to map them? So in space, that grid have longitudes and latitudes. As we have taken the longitudes and latitudes, the grid from our earth. So there are longitudes and latitudes, but there are different names for them. For longitude, it is declination. Okay, actually degrees. Declination. Okay. Now the latitude has an interesting name, that is right ascension. Okay, actually RA. Yeah. So they both can be measured in different measuring units. So declination can be measured in plus and minus, and right ascension can be measured in time, actually hours and minutes. Okay. So declination is like this and right ascension is like this. Okay, so right ascension is a one word, not just separation words. Okay. Now we learn to map the stars, how to locate them. Okay, so now I'll show you a model that I have made. It is actually like intersecting points where the stars fall. Let's start. So as you can see here, you can see that, yeah, our declination and right ascension. Here the stars that are placed that we are going to measure. So let's take the first star, that is Sirius. Okay, so can you find where is Sirius? Yeah, there you go. This is the Sirius. Now how do we measure them? Imagine that this is the grid and this is declination, this is right ascension. Now Sirius right ascension is 6 hours and 45 minutes and declination of Sirius is 16.43, actually minus 16.43. Okay, so as you can see, I have marked the star here. How? Now let's take the right ascension. The right ascension is 6 hours 45 minutes. So it would be close to 7 as it is 45 minutes. Now we'll take declination. It is 16.43. So actually minus 16.43. Now as you can see, this is minus 20 and this is minus 10. So it would be near to 20 and very near to half of 10, minus 10 and 20. Okay, so now we'll just join them. The length of right ascension should be till the point of declination, like here and here. It should be like this. And the intersecting point is, as you can see here, so this would be the place of the star Sirius. Now we'll move on to the another star, that is Capillar. Its right ascension is 5 hours 16 minutes and declination is plus 45.59. Okay, so 5 hours and 16 minutes of Capillar. Let's see where is Capillar. Now, as you can see here, it will fall here as it is 5 hours and 16 minutes. And what is the declination? It is plus 45.59. So it should fall here. And the intersecting point should be the location of Capillar. Now we'll move on to the another star, that is Aldebaran. Okay, that's a famous star. The right ascension should be 4 hours and 35 minutes and the declination should be plus 16.30. Okay, now you can map it. Like, it should be here. See, Aldebaran should be here. Okay, as you can see, the intersecting point. Now we'll move on to the next star, that is Rigel. Its right ascension or RA is 5 hours and 14 minutes. So 5 hours and 14 minutes is this, and its actually declination should be 8.12. And where is 8.12? Here. So the star Rigel should be marked here, as you can see. Okay, then we'll move on to the next star, that is Procyon. Okay, now Procyon is here, as you can see. So now what's the declination for it? Declination is minus 8.12. So it should fall here. Okay, then actually declination is plus 5.18. So it should fall here. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next star, that is Pollux, and that, as you can see, I've marked every star here. And I think you know the famous North Star, that is Polaris. It is at the north, as you can see here in the grid. Okay, so can you see a pattern? See, this is the pattern. This is actually a constellation called Winter Hexagon. You can see it only in winter, as you can see. So this was how to map the stars, like declination with RA, right ascension, longitude, latitude, and this is how we map the stars pilots use to just go every place. That's how it works, and this is for this video. Thank you for watching.